How is China transforming barren deserts into bustling cities, and why is the US watching with envy? Imagine a vast barren desert where the sun blazes relentlessly and the wind whips up clouds of dry sand. To most, it's a harsh, uninhabitable wasteland. But for China, it's an opportunity to transform deserts into thriving, sustainable cities. Through groundbreaking technology, China is turning arid landscapes into vital hubs of life, and it's catching the world's attention, including the United States. This isn't just about innovation in construction, it's about overcoming a massive challenge and creating something extraordinary. Some experts even say this technology is making the US envious. So, how exactly is China doing this, and what could it mean for the future of desert landscapes, global architecture, and environmental sustainability? Let's find out. To understand why this desert building technology has generated such buzz, we need to first take a step back and look at China's ambitions in desert regions. China has a vast desert region, and these areas are not just barren wastelands, they are filled with untapped potential. Think about the Gobi Desert, which covers parts of northern China and Mongolia. It's one of the largest deserts in the world, stretching across over 1 million square kilometers. The challenges posed by such environments are immense: extreme temperatures, limited water resources, and wind erosion. However, China has long recognized that deserts, while seemingly inhospitable, could be key to addressing some of the country's most pressing issues. As the world's most populous nation, China has struggled with urbanization and the demand for more housing, infrastructure, and energy. At the same time, China has been heavily investing in environmental technologies to combat air pollution, water scarcity, and climate change. By addressing these issues, China has made huge strides in transforming deserts into new, livable spaces. China's government has set its sights on developing these desert regions by introducing massive projects that make use of new, high-tech solutions in construction, irrigation, and energy. These are not just about building traditional homes or small communities, they are large-scale, ambitious endeavors aimed at creating entire desert cities. And the technology driving these changes is at the heart of why these projects have caught the attention of the world, including the US. The technology China is using to turn deserts into habitable spaces is nothing short of revolutionary. Central to this effort is a unique combination of engineering, advanced materials, and eco-friendly innovations. One of the primary technologies involved is the use of desert greening, which focuses on using innovative techniques to transform dry, arid land into fertile ground. This method involves the application of special techniques to restore or create agricultural and residential spaces where once there was nothing but sand. Let's break down a few key aspects of this technology. Sand stabilization. One of the biggest hurdles in desert construction is the unstable nature of sand. Wind erosion can strip away the surface of the land, making it impossible to build anything durable. To address this, China has developed new materials that can stabilize sand, making it easier to lay foundations and build structures. These materials bind the sand together, creating a stable base for infrastructure. This technology is especially important for the construction of roads, buildings, and even entire communities. Solar energy integration. China has been a global leader in solar energy for years, and they're now applying that expertise to desert regions. Deserts are known for their abundance of sunlight, and this makes them ideal locations for solar farms. China has integrated vast arrays of solar panels into its desert building plans, providing renewable energy that can power the construction process as well as future city infrastructure. In some cases, solar power is being used to desalinate water, creating a sustainable source of fresh water from the surrounding environment. Water conservation and desalination. In desert environments, water is the most precious commodity, and traditional water sources like rivers and lakes are either scarce or non-existent. China has developed cutting-edge desalination technology that allows them to extract fresh water from seawater. This technology has been key to creating self-sustaining desert cities, as it provides an unlimited source of water for irrigation, drinking, and industrial use. In addition, China has implemented efficient water conservation techniques such as drip irrigation to maximize water use and minimize waste. Eco-friendly construction materials. Traditional building materials like cement and steel can be heavy, expensive, and unsustainable, especially in desert regions where resources are limited. In response, China has invested heavily in developing eco-friendly construction materials made from local desert materials. For example, certain types of clay, sand, and even recycled materials from construction debris are being used to create environmentally friendly and cost-effective building materials. Automated construction techniques. One of the most innovative aspects of China's desert building technology is the use of automation and robotics in construction. With the help of 3D printing, autonomous machinery, and advanced robotics, China has been able to accelerate the construction process while reducing labor costs and improving precision. This technology is not just about speed, it also ensures that the structures are built to withstand the harsh desert environment, providing long-lasting and resilient homes and buildings. What's truly remarkable about China's desert building technology is the scale of the projects they're undertaking. One of the most well-known initiatives is the development of the Kabuki Desert, located in the Inner Mongolia region. Over the past few decades, China has successfully transformed large parts of the Kabuki Desert into fertile land suitable for farming and settlement. Using a combination of afforestation, irrigation, and advanced soil management techniques, China has managed to combat desertification and create livable spaces. Another noteworthy project is the construction of the Tenga Desert Solar Park, which is one of the largest solar farms in the world. This solar park spans thousands of square kilometers and provides clean energy to a vast region. It's a perfect example of how China is leveraging the desert's natural advantages to build infrastructure that is not only environmentally friendly, but also economically viable. China has also started building entire new cities in the desert. The city of Ordos, located in the Gobi Desert, was designed as a modern urban center with all the amenities one would expect in a bustling metropolis. While the city initially struggled with low population growth, it is now being revitalized through the use of desert building technology, making it more attractive for both residents and businesses. It's easy to see why the US might feel a sense of envy regarding China's desert building achievements. While the US has made progress in renewable energy and environmental sustainability, China has taken bold, large-scale steps that have shown tangible results. The US has also faced challenges in combating desertification in its own regions, such as parts of Arizona and Nevada, but these efforts have not yet reached the ambitious scale of China's. Experts have noted that China's ability to implement large-scale projects with such efficiency and speed has raised the bar for what's possible in desert reclamation. The use of solar power, desalination technology, and automated construction methods in such a challenging environment is something the US is still working toward. While the US has a significant advantage in innovation and technological development, China's rapid and strategic investment in desert building technology is making the country a leader in this field. What makes China's efforts even more impressive is the fact that the country has managed to achieve these results without the same level of financial resources and infrastructure that many Western nations enjoy. Through government investment, partnerships with private companies, and a commitment to long-term planning, China has created a blueprint for desert reclamation that could be replicated in other parts of the world. China's success in transforming deserts into thriving communities and energy-producing hubs could serve as a model for other nations grappling with similar challenges. As the world faces the twin crises of climate change and rapid urbanization, the ability to convert barren deserts into sustainable cities could be a game changer. The technology China has developed is not just about building in deserts, it's about creating a new paradigm for how we approach environmental challenges. Whether it's harnessing the power of solar energy, utilizing advanced construction techniques, or developing sustainable water management systems, the principles behind these projects could be applied to other regions in need of revitalization. Thanks for watching. If you found China's desert building technology as fascinating as we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think this technology will shape the future? See you in the next one.